Today is Saturday, May 17, 2019, Singapore. These two birds seems to be playing or maybe mating. This is a courtship display. They look like spotted doves. I shall get closer a bit. They look rather young, juvenile. Most likely they are playing. Very unusual to see two young ones play fighting or pairing up, but I do see them. Let me get closer. Now it's flying away. That's it. You cannot get too close to them. There is a distance of let me see, maybe 30 feet. Let me see, maybe 40 feet here. You get closer, they just fly off. See? I shall stop now. Singapore, May 17, 2019, Saturday.